cake now?
Oh, Daddy, stop now. I'm the baby of the house.
I don't understand. You will not jump his wife.
Eat one better.
You will not jump.
I know you not give him.
Don't mind that.
Are you sure?
You don't have cake now. Okay. Let me deal with this now.
Daddy, I'm not believing it again.
No. Pigo. Since Daddy has given you.
Thank you, Daddy.
That's the big no.
I know you. Who wants fish?
Okay, don't worry, I'll do it.
I want fish.
My outfit goes to the mouth. If you want to put it in your mouth, I'll give you.
Nobody should touch my own. Nobody should touch my own fish.
It's your own now.
What's your problem now?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, brother.
I'm a happy man.
I'm a fulfilled man.
I mean, seeing all of you like this, I'm overjoyed. Most especially, I am grateful to the Almighty God for His love and kindness towards this family. You know.
And Daddy, we are happy too for having you as our wonderful daddy.
Oh, thank you.
You are so wonderful.
Thank you.
A super daddy.
The super one.
Thank you.
Superman.
Thank you. I was almost blushing. And special thanks to three of you. You know why? It's not easy to have children that would go to school, university, and come back without skirmishes or small, negative reports.
No.
So I'm proud of all of you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. And to our NYSC aspirant,
Compassion.
when are you going to the camp?
Next week, Daddy. I will miss this house and everyone.
I know God will be with you.
Amen.
You will go in peace and come back in peace.
Amen.
God bless you.
I am not going to miss you. The only thing I will miss about you is your wala.
Oh.
This one is not. I beg, just go.
See, don't mind him, yeah? Come here. Baby sis, I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
But not to worry, you're coming back home now. Because Dad here is not done with your redeployment.
Dad!
Your father is a strong disciplinarian. I don't know if he's going to agree to that redeployment.
But he has started the process.
It's a very simple thing. I'll do it.
I'm happy you're going to do that.
When you get there, 1 hour, Aboki will marry you.
Is that looking up a human being?
I nearly married one Benue girl. Small thing. Hello, Compassion. Look at you see your big head. I know say hunger don't finish you there. This house is missing you badly. Who is missing yourself? Me, I don't even miss yourself. Go and sit down. When are you coming back, Joe? Oh, next tomorrow. You won't even meet anybody at home. You'll come back and you'll be here, only you. And hunger will wire you and finish you up. When are you coming? Are you serious next tomorrow? Okay. If you're about entering the town, just let me know. I will send one powerful cake and a pepper with AC to come and carry you. Okay, don't mind me. I'll come and pick you up. Just let me know. Okay, no problem. Bye. enjoy the food. Julie? Julie? Julie, are you okay?
Sorry. Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed the food.
Yes, thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
So what's up? What has been going on with you? I've missed you.
Good. I'm fine. Fine. You know, we've really missed you.
Same here.
Nice to have you back.
Same here. I can't wait to get home.
I know.
Can't wait to see everybody.
I know. Don't worry, we'll soon get home.
Okay.
Okay.
She was acting fine.
I'm a pretty girl.
Mom, Dad, your baby is back!
Good to see you, Mom. Dad, I missed you.
Look at you.
Oh,
You didn't tell me anything.
Mom, check me out. Check me out. The newest copper in town.
Come here.
Look at me.
I miss.
Am I not looking cute?
Come
I missed you.
So tell me, how was it?
How was it? Say the truth, or how was it? Don't lie. Because I've been there before.
Well, it was good,
Okay.
fun, but it was not easy.
You're nothing but Otondo Copper. I'm inside.
Okay, bro.
As you want.
Shut up. It's good to be home.
You want something?
Yes. Cold water.
Then after that, we
Look
do
at
food.
you. Sorry. I'm good, Lord.
Get the picture.
Fred,
Very fun.
Yeah?
you said you won't be going out till this evening, right?
Yeah.
Please, can I use your car? I have an interview. I promise I'll be back before evening. Please? Where the car keys?
The car key is on the dining table. Didn't you see it? No. Did you remove it from there?
No, I did not. It's still there.
Check.
So,
Wow, this is nice.
See you guys. And thank you.
have a nice day.
Wait, is it the same person? Hey, this is serious.
Hello, babe. Yeah, what's up? Oh. I'm so sorry. I was still busy. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm still busy, but I'll come pick you up. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm coming, okay? Yeah. What? Come in. Why are you laughing?
Cheers.
Please don't. Dad, I want to say thank you for all you've done for me. You know, everything is ready.
Really?
Yeah, I'll be traveling out of the country before the end of the year.
To tell you the truth, I'm worried. I just hope that it works out. Because 3 months from now is end of the year, so...
Yeah, Dad, it's just my visa that I'm waiting for. Every other thing is ready. Good.
It's all right. I trust my son. Just have to keep our fingers crossed.
Hello? What is it? Okay, what do you want me to get for you? Just say it, I'll get it for you. Okay, no problem. I'm coming, okay? Yeah.
You and your younger sister are quite close.
We are very, very close. That guy is giving me too much trouble. Wahala too much.
I know, right?
But I love her though. I love her. Okay, come on, let's go.
Don't twist my love for you. Don't twist my love for you. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. The journey is too far. My favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. You're my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite.
I don't think I'll be able to cope when you travel. Do you know, I've gotten so used to you. Can I even go like 2 days without seeing you? I don't think so now.
Babe,
Yeah, honey.
I love you and I love you with all my heart.
I know.
Okay? See, I need to get introduced to my people before I travel so you can get accustomed with them. You know, at least you can go to meet them or visit them anytime you want. You know, I need to introduce you to them before I travel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Nice.
You good?
Yeah, sure, honey. I love you too. You know that, right?
I love you more.
Baby.
Any moment I spend with you gives me joy. All I need is your attention. Please don't divide it. You know, God, I hope to spend all my tomorrow with you. With
Sis,
you.
why have you not been taking Raymond's call? He called. What happened?
You won't understand. I'm just confused right now. Look, I'm not ready to get married, and he keeps talking about marriage. Ugh, please.
But that is not enough reason for you not to take his calls. I mean, you and this guy has been friends for years, and you've not complained anything about him. Why are you refusing his proposal?
Baby sis, I'm done with your service, right?
Yes.
And I just got a job.
Of course I know.
So let me make my own money. Look, I choose to focus on my career right now. Marriage is not for me. I'm not ready to get married, okay?
But sis, you have to call him, talk to him. I mean, you guys should have heart-to-heart talk. He might be thinking you're seeing someone else. That is why you're avoiding his calls. You have to call him.
Yes, my advisor, baby sis. I will do that.
Big sis, I'm serious. You have to call him. You have to call him, seriously.
Yes, baby sis.
Yeah, please wait. How about? Have I offended you in any way and you didn't want to tell me? You know I treat you like a queen that you are. And please, if there is any problem, tell me.
But like I told you, I want to work. I want to make my own money. Give me some time, please. And stop this marriage thing. Okay? Can we just stop talking about marriage? Let me make my own money first, please. At least I just started this job, okay?
Can I at least come see your parents? And then wait till whenever you're ready. I don't want to lose you to anyone. Please.
You're not losing me to anyone. I promise you. When the time is right, I will be your wife. Please.
You sure?
Yes. Please.
Oh, my baby sis is calling. Please pick the call and tell her I'm on the steering. Okay?
I should pick?
Yeah, pick the call.
Won't she be angry?
No. Oh, what's the meaning of that? Speak before she cuts.
Okay.
Hold on, let me help you.
Hello? Hello? She hung up.
Hello?
She hung up the
Hello?
phone, babe.
She'll call back.
Oh. Baby.
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm in love. I mean, I love my man. So who wouldn't be, honey?
Yeah, love you too.
Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. Johnny is too far. My favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. You're my favorite.
Sweetheart.
Just go. Go away. I don't want to talk to you today.
It's me, oh.
Just go. Since you can give your girlfriend your phone to talk to me.
No, it's not what you think, okay? I was driving, almost getting to road safety checkpoint. So I asked her to pick the call. That's just it.
I don't want to talk to you. Just go. I want to be left alone.
Sweetheart, Namio.
You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away?
I am going out to see a friend, that I'll be back soon. Please help me talk to Juliet to stop being mad at me. I've already explained to her why Sylvia picked her call and promised never to do that again. Please, talk to her for me, please.
Okay, fine. I'll try my best. Alright. Anyway, when she's back, she'll come to you.
Thank you so much. I'll be back in a jiffy, okay?
We are living in peace, love and harmony. But now, you just don't make me cry. You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears?
Can I come in?
Hi, sis.
You already know I'm here, right? Well, you know, whenever I'm angry, you have a way of pacifying me, and I listen. So it's my turn. Why are you angry?
I know what you want to say, but I've forgiven him.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Very sure.
I cross my heart.
Now that's my sister. That's my little sister. Now you're my sister.
He's also my bro.
Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did wrong. You made me cry. You made me sad.
Who? Hold on.
It's me, Juliet.
Oh, sweetheart. Hold on. I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming.
Hey.
It's you.
Yeah. I have forgiven you. And I'm going to sleep in your room tonight.
Thank you. I'm happy now. You know, Naya doesn't have my time. Always busy at work. But you, I've actually missed you.
Same here.
Okay, I'll be with you shortly.
Okay.
What have you been doing?
Oh, nothing much. Oh. Bro, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good.
Where to?
Today is our CDS, but I won't stay long. I'm not too strong.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you wait? Let me just drop you off.
Thank you.
It's okay, let me get my case.
Okay, well, thank you. So exhausted.
I know. Don't worry, I'll take you where you eat and then relax.
Yeah.
Then we'll continue.
I can't wait. Thank you.
So how is how was the camp?
Those people know how to stress somebody.
My girlfriend is calling. Please pick the call and tell her I'm driving. She's calling to get me something.
Bro, I am not picking. You people should not use me and do your love. Oh.
Hello?
Give me the phone. Concentrate.
What's your problem?
When you get home, you can call her back. See, she's even calling again. When you get home, you can call her back. Just concentrate. Focus.
What's your problem?
Just concentrate. When you get home, you can call her back.
You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? We are living in peace, love and harmony. But now you just don't make me cry. You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Tell me what.
Why is Fred not taking his calls? What is going on? Is he okay? This is so unlike him.
You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears right now. You just don't make me cry. You made me cry. You made me sad.
Hello?
Who is gonna wipe my tears?
You know, this is the best time for us to talk because he's always putting ears on the ground. So, just me. What happened?
You know, I had to stop him from taking her call on our way coming back home. Yes. You know our brother. Sometimes I don't understand him. He loses concentration anytime he hears her voice.
You have not heard of love wanting to, right? It's love now. Okay. I have to be at work early, okay?
Okay.
Good night.
Alright, good night.
As I was driving home that day, I mean, the traffic was too much. I couldn't get home on time. And I have my kisses inside the car with me.
And after that, your phone was switched off. And your girlfriend started calling me with a strange number, which she keeps quiet whenever she calls.
Girlfriend?
Boyfriend.
Babe, come on. What are you talking about? You are the only one in my life. No girlfriend.
Yes. Main. 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 Main.
You don't believe me, right?
No, I don't. Hold on. I have something to show you. What have you got to say about this?
Babe, honestly, I did not know anything about this. You have to believe me. Or you can go ahead and call the person. Let me talk to the person.
She doesn't take my calls.
She doesn't take your calls. Then, let me call the person by myself. Give me the number. Let me have the number, please.
You can take the number.
The person's not picking. Babe, you have to believe me. I don't know anything about this. The person is not even picking my calls. What is going on? Who is doing this to me? Who is really doing this to spoil my relationship? I must get to the root of this. Must.
Afufana tere love. Afufana tere. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Abuse your name, come
Can you imagine a manager coming to seek the permission of an MD just to approve a salary advance because the wife had the CS? He doesn't know it's right.
Good mom. Do that.
Why is he like that? What is wrong with him? Are you having any issues with him?
Not at all. Well, I guess he's in a mood. You know, sometimes people can be in such moods.
I will go to his room later to find out why he's in such a bad mood. Because I know Fred, he's always a happy man.
You do that.
Continue with what you were telling me. Later I'll go find out why he's like that.
Okay. So as I was saying,
Hello, babe. Yeah, what's up? How are you? Okay, babe. See, I want you to listen to me now. Babe, see what I'm trying to tell you is this. Can you listen to me? Can you just listen to me? Hold on and listen to me first. What? I know, but just listen first. Oh, I know.
Look, we can't wait for him. I thought I would cancel the boat since he's dressed, but obviously this call will take longer. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Let's go.
Okay.
You think so?
You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? We are living in peace, love and harmony. But now you just don't make me cry. You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did wrong. Ooh. You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? We are living in peace, love and harmony. You choose to make me cry. You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Why did you forget?
So because of this girl, my brother that is always with me does not even have my time again. Okay. No wahala. It's alright. I'm tired.
My tears away. We are living in peace, love and harmony. But now,
whoever is doing this, I've left Fred for you. You can eat him, but please, I beg you in the name of God, just leave my life alone. Leave me the heck alone. What is this?
Away. Why did you forget so soon how we used to love each other? You made me cry. You made me.
Fred, everyone is at the dining table. You're not there. What's the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. You can go back. I'm coming.
Okay, come with me now.
I am coming, okay? That is what I've been passing through.
Okay, do you want me to talk to her?
No. Not now. I'll keep trying, okay? I will let you know when to come in.
Okay. Fine. But please take it easy on yourself. Okay?
It's okay.
Afufana tara love. Afufana tara. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Abuzionye kamejoro. Afufana tara. Why my own different? My heart is broken. My love, where are you? Where are you? My love, where are you? My
Son, it's too early to do this. Don't be too hard on yourself. Mm-hmm.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom, the truth is that I'm no longer a kid. I'm not a child. I'm a grown man now. Yes, and I need to get responsible.
Okay.
So my plan was to bring her to the family and introduce her to the family before I travel. But now see what is going on, see what is happening.
Trust me, everything will be fine. It's not late. Okay? Wait a minute. What about your best friend, John? Mm-hmm.
Mom?
Yes?
What are you insinuating?
No.
Are you suspecting him?
No. Far from it. Not at all. I am not suspecting anybody. It's just that in this kind of situation, when you want to come eat, you need to start with your best friend. Hence, she knows him.
Oh. Oh, now I get it. Yes. I had never thought of this.
Now you know.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for this. You know, they say that mothers are genius.
Can say that
and
again.
You're one of them, you know.
I'm blushing now.
Okay, let me freshen up and call him immediately.
No problem. Please do.
Yeah. You're right.
And I always got you.
The thing about this whole thing is that the person doing this knows both of you. I'm sure it might be one of his secret admirers. I'm so sure of that. She's the one doing this. You know how desperate girls can be just to answer a man's name.
You know, what baffles me is the way he's taking this whole thing. He's not doing anything about it. Amarachi, you can stay here and do your 3 months training. I'll be so bored when you leave. And you already know what I'm going through. Please now. Please.
I already told my parents that I'll be staying at my aunt's. And she's waiting for me.
Amara, this place is even closer for you. Eh? Please now.
You know what? Let me go there first. Explain things to her, then I will come back. No problems. You don't have to worry about it. Like, I'll make sure she answers your call whenever you call her line again.
It's okay if you do that for me. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, huh? Thank you so much. I have to leave now.
All right. Thank you so
Take
much,
care.
huh?
Bye.
Bye. Take care of yourself, okay?
Afufana terra.